Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can make an internal hard disk of your old computer as external. In this video, I will show you how you could do it. So first of all, you will need to find the appropriate or the correct screwdriver for opening your computer. Each computer has different screw size, so make sure that you have selected the correct one. If you have multiple ones, you can always go ahead and test few before finding the right one. Next thing which you will need an external box for your hard disk, or what we call adapter. This adapter will allow you to connect your hard disk to your computer. It has a USB at the end and a SATA connector which allows you to connect your hard disk. Once you have opened your computer and extracted your hard disk, you will need to find a way how you can plug your hard disk in the adapter of the box. Usually it's a SATA adapter, and it's not really difficult to figure out how to plug, but just make sure to check before you try to connect it to it to not break or damage your hard disk or the adapter. Once you have done it, usually it goes very smooth, but since I'm holding the camera by my hand, so it's kind of difficult. Now that I have it correctly, I will just place my hard disk inside the box and close it. You don't need to get the same box, you will need just to get the correct adapters. In one end you will need the SATA for your hard disk, and in the other end you will need a USB adapter. Once completed, you can go ahead and plug your hard disk to your new computer and check the data which you have there. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.